240 fixed twist lock dimming receptacle. This series of products provides for gold-plated contact pieces on the top surface, compatible with the spring contact pieces of the rotary lock light controller, and 4 signal wires on the back. Features: glass fiber strong in PT, gilded pads made from faux fur bronze, silicone gasket offered, applicable volt range 0480 Vac, rated frequency 50-60 H/to load rating 15A, signal control 030 VDC to 150 milliamperes max, lead 16 AU-gate line length, ambient temperature 40 C plus 70 C, related humidity 96, contact gold plating thickness 0-2 M. For more product details or customized products, please feel free to contact us.